BMW Alpina B3 3.3 with a few Japanese accessories. So Strata car navigation by Panasonic and the typical card readers that cars in Japan have for the toll booths. In any case, we're in this 2002 Alpina. Nice shape, no accident history. I'll show you how it goes. So this is the all-wheel drive. It's a 3.3 liter bored and stroked S52 motor. The S52 is the iron block that was installed in the US E46 M3s. So this one's got a different crankshaft, different pistons, different camshaft, typical Alpina modified intake. So it's got a larger air intake into the intake manifold, which is Alpina with a nice cast Alpina logo on it. Of course, it's got Alpina suspension, Alpina wheels. It's got Michelin Pilot Sport 4 tires. Sport 4S's in the front are new. It's got a new front drive shaft, or actually front axle. That was installed as part of the Canadian safety check. The car runs and drives like you'd expect. Nice and smooth, good power, shifts great. It's certainly not an economy car per se, but at this time when this E46 B3 came out, Alpina was trying to move more into the mass market. They were touting the fuel efficiency of this car. They had changed from having unique brake components to relying on BMW's brakes. They were thinking about serviceability down the road. In this case, there's not much that you can't get from a local BMW dealer. Just gently turning the corner on the throttle. So there's 62 miles an hour, pretty quick. It gets up and shifts very fast. Appreciate you watching. You still there?